EMV. If you're a business that takes credit cards, those are 3 letters you need to quickly become very familiar with. They stand for Europay, MasterCard, Visa. It's the new anti-fraud chip technology being embedded into debit and credit cards. The technology is much safer, and the deadline is now looming for every business to have the new processing machines that accept EMV cards. In fact, global payment companies, including Visa and MasterCard, have stated that if your terminal does not accept EMV cards, the fraud liability may be shifted to you, and that could cost you thousands of dollars in fees and penalties. It's also important to plan for near-field communication payments where customers use their smartphone to tap and go. As this payment method becomes more popular with your customers, you'll want to be ready. So what if you could make one phone call, get the new equipment for free, and begin getting cash back every month on your merchant account? Cash that could add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Good news. Introducing MatchRate Plus. MatchRate Plus has the most innovative offer in the credit card processing industry and has partnered with North American Bank Card to do it. NAB is a major leader responsible for more than $13 billion in transactions per year. Together, we'll provide your business with free equipment, cash back every month, no long-term contracts, lower rates, a match rate guarantee to always make sure you pay the lowest rates, 24/7 live customer support, and we even have a cancellation fee reimbursement program if you're under a current contract. One 7-minute phone call is all it takes to get you compliant with the new EMV regulations, prepare you to take smartphone payments, and put cash in your pocket. We can work with you every step of the way to make sure the transition is fast and smooth. Request your free cashback and savings analysis today and discover the benefits that more than 125,000 businesses are already experiencing.